Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Tie with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in and talk about Bitcoin. What I think is going to be a bull trap, or about to be a bull trap. This is the TradingView hourly chart. We have this little run here to the upside, and then it's consolidating here. It had another little, and it dropped slightly, and it had another little run up here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this. That's not what I wanted. Let's go in here some more. Make it bigger so it's easier to see. Shrink it a little bit. So we had this little run up here, and then it went kind of zigzag, and then it dropped a little bit, and then we had a little run here. The reason I think this is a bull trap is because, well, let's talk about what is a bull trap in case you don't know what it is. A bull trap is a false signal that people believe the price is going to go up, and so they go in and they buy the security or asset, in this case Bitcoin. And then the price reverses and they're trapped. They're trapped because here you see it went down, and then here it went up, and then down, up. So it looks like it's going up, right? So they buy somewhere up here, and then when the price later on, when the price falls back down this way, they're trapped because they bought it up here. Now they're trapped. If they sell it, they'll be selling at a loss. And the reason I think this is a bull trap, this move from here up to here and here is a bull trap, is because look at the volume here. You see right here, this was yesterday. We were here. Look at the volume. It's tiny. And this is through Bitfinex, but I looked at different exchanges and they're similar. But you go over here, you see this, the volume here, it's like way up here. This is tiny right there. And so really low volume. Low volume is a sign that it could potentially be a bull trap. And let me show you another reason why I think it's a bull trap. Let's go right here. This one right here is the high block capital, the liquidation level map. Watch this. You see here, like right here, price went up. The green color blocks here represent the differences in the long level liquidations minus the short level liquidations. If it's green, there are more long positions that will get liquidated. In this case, right now, we're sitting at $2.2 billion of longs, more longs that could get liquidated. $2.2 billion. So look at over here. You see this point here when the price rose up? Longs was just barely a blip, just a tad more than shorts as far as level amount of they could get liquidated. And bam, it dropped down here and then went toward the shorts. Now shorts were more, there were more amount of shorts that could get liquidated, and that was roughly minus, so 142 or 143 million dollars. So, but just that much. Now watch. You go over here, the price went up here again, and then it dropped. That was just right here. Look at the level, the greens. Look at right here, right up here. I should turn on my highlights so you can see better. Look at up here. And this is where we were, right? Right there. That was only, come on, little mouse pointer. That was like almost $1 billion of more longs to get liquidated. And then it went horizontal, it dropped a little bit, went horizontal. You can see it horizontal here. Went up slightly, more longs got in. And so increased the potential for liquidating them. And then guess what? Drop right here. But look at the level right here. Now price went up again. Right here, price rose. More longs got in. And then their positions increased. Now we have a lot more longs. So this is roughly around $2 billion, right? And guess what happens next? Bam, price dropped. Dropped to here, clear some of them out. Price ranged for a little bit, dropped slightly, and then more longs just got in. And then guess what? More longs got in right here. Price went up to here. More longs got in, just a little bit more. This was 1.5 because they cleared out some of them, liquidated some of them here. And so now we're at 1.5 roughly, 1.6 right here. And guess what? Boom, drop. Liquidated a bunch of them. And they built up the position. Guess what though? Right now, we're at a position that is bigger than back here. This is only about $2 billion here. This is a lot bigger, almost 2.5, 2.25, right there. Guess what's gonna happen? This is higher than any of these positions back here. These are gonna get liquidated. So that's where the bull trap is. It's building it up. More people are going long, betting on high leverage. They will get liquidated right here. This might go up slightly more. Just clear out this level, this short right here. That's tiny though, 41 million. It could clear that out. It didn't clear it out here. It didn't clear it out here. Maybe it'll go up and clear some more. But more than likely, like I mentioned in my video and tweet today, it will go down and clear this. I'm 80% sure it will do that. We're just at such a high level, and this is just Binance. So that's why I think it's a bull trap. And let's take a look at the heat map and see what's going on. We got a sell wall up here, sell wall here, but you can see it fades in and out right along here. And we got a buy wall right down here, roughly around 38,350 about. It just came in. Just came in at around 830 roughly. More than likely this wall right here dropped down here as the price was dropping down, and it's trying to prop it up. So you have this range here. That's why it's ranging right now. And this is a consolidated heat map. So yeah, it's going to range for a while, but sooner or later that pressure is going to come and this is going to drop. This wall will be broken through. I'm 80% sure. That's it for a quick update on why I think the current price level is a bull trap. Take care. See you in the next video. And remember, please leave a comment, hit subscribe, and ring my bell. Appreciate it. See you in the next video.